Hey guys, we received this new generation six pack letter size folders with three hole punch for test and try. So they are the laminated 12 by 9.25 inches, two pocket folders. So it's good for the school days. And there's a pack of six, very nice vibrant design as you can see it here, and very nice printing. So feel premium printing and premium thickness of this paper folder. So there are two pockets and three hole punch, so look clearly nice, and they are because six pack. So I will show you the design one by one. As you can see, is a cute puppy design. And so like if you like dogs and you have puppies, you can use this folder in your school or offices or wherever you want to use. So it's a fun way to use the folders and have this design with you. So it's a very nice, like vibrant size and the colors. So total six pack design, so six different prints. So you can also use it in your, the ring binders, like the three ring binders with this pocket folders, and then use them. So they have this three ring punch inside already there. So very nice set of six total, two pocket folders and a nice design overall. Hope you like these colors as well.